right, let's get started. Oh, hell no, you gotta go inside. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, come here. Come on. Hey friends, I am beat up and exhausted. I am filthy. But you know what? Still having fun. Let me show you what I did today. Okay, so this is the first section. I tried to do this wave pattern that I saw on Pinterest as a texture. I think I kind of halfway got there, but you know what? I'm okay with it. So yeah, this took 22 bags. This is 4x8. And yeah, it's my first time doing this, so I'm gonna call it a success. Still got 3 more sections. Here's what I learned today. I should have done 4x4 sections instead of 4x8 because the concrete was drying pretty quickly. Number 2, when you're doing concrete and it's warm or hot outside, make your concrete soupy so that it takes longer to dry. 3, well, I'm sure there's a 3, but I can't think of it at the moment. I'm sure I'll tell you about it tomorrow. So that's all I got for you today. I am beat, like exhausted. And I got 3 more sections. So I guess I'll be back out here tomorrow. Okay, make good choices. Later, y'all.